Hi, my dear students. Welcome to India's biggest online platform, Yummy Educational Institutions. We are discussing ray optics. In this session, we are going to discuss reflection in a plane mirror. So, we'll be covering image formation in the mirror in this particular session. Let's start the session. Now we can have a look on some problems based on image formation in plane mirror. Read the question carefully. A plane mirror is inclined at 30 degrees from the horizontal as shown in the figure below. An object is placed on x-axis at a distance 2 meters from the origin. The coordinates of image is dash. Here you can see the mirror. This would be the mirror. Mirror is inclined at 30 degrees with the horizontal. 30 degrees with the horizontal. Object is placed at a distance 2 meters from the origin. Then what is the image formation? For that we need to draw a perpendicular. We need to project this object. That means we need to draw the perpendicular. This is the perpendicular. If the distance is L here, exactly at a distance L from here, this would be the image. We need to calculate Ix comma Y. You need to calculate Ix comma Y. Understood now? So what is the coordinates of image? So try to solve this problem. See here, we can solve this problem. This would be the question and we can solve this problem. Try to solve this problem. What is given? Here coordinate system xy and mirror inclined at 30 degrees with the horizontal. Object is placed at a distance 2 meters from the origin. So it would be 2 meters from the origin. What we discussed in this last class, to get image we need to draw the perpendicular. Mirror is the perpendicular bisector of line joining the point object and point image. That is why we need to draw a perpendicular. This is the perpendicular. Then you will get coordinates of the image. Here it is. Not this is the perpendicular. N is the point and perpendicular means it is 90. It would be 90. So to calculate the coordinates, we need to do some construction. This is the construction. Here we will be getting two triangles. Triangle ANO and then triangle ANI. So here from triangles, see here from triangles, from triangles ANO and triangle ANI. Triangle ANO and triangle ANO. So here you don't know this theta. This particular thing you can assume it as theta. For time being you don't know. So from triangle ANO, here it is what? L. 1 minute. For time being you don't know theta. So we know that this would be L. Same distance. We already proved it in the last class. Okay, L and L. So distance are same. So AN is the common side between these two triangles. So you can directly say it is 30 degrees because these two triangles are similar, not similar, exactly same. Exactly, this is this triangle is ANO, is a mirror image of the ANI actually. So you will get directly 2 meters. This is 2 meters. So to prove it, so if you are not good at geometry, so I think you can start from the scratch. See here, try to learn procedure to apply geometry here. So it's very simple. From triangle ANO, tan 30 equal to how much? What is tan 30 degrees? Tan 30 degrees equals to L by AN, L by AN from triangle ANI tan theta equals to L by AN, L by AN, L by AN. In order to get that relation, so theta must be equal to 30 degrees. Theta should be equal to 30 degrees. Understood na? Theta equal to how much? 30 degrees. So here we proved that theta equal to 30 degrees. From here, how to calculate AN? From this triangle, what is sine 30? From triangle ANO, sine 30 degrees equals to, from triangle L by AN, L by AN. So from here, what is this? 1 by 2 equals to L by AN. From here, AN equals to 2 times of L. 2 times of L. From here, from triangle ANI, from triangle ANI, what is sine 30 degrees? Tell me, what is sine 30? Here I can say that sine 30 degrees equal to L by AI. L by AI. What is AI? Tell me. Here it is how much? 1 by 2 equal to L by AI. L by you can directly calculate AI from triangle ANI, from triangle ANI. Now tell me, what is sine 30? Here this is the hypotenuse, 90 degrees. What is sine 30? Tell me. Sine 30 degrees equal to L by AI. Sine 30 equal to L by AI. So here 1 by 2. So here equal to L by AI. AI equals to 2 times of L. 2 times of L. How to calculate L? Tell me. How to calculate L? From triangle ANO, from triangle ANO. Here it is how much? What is the sine 30? What is sine 30? Equal to L by 2. So here 1 by 2 equals to L by 2. L equals to 1 meter. So L equal to 1 meter. L equal to 1 meter. AI equal to 2 meter. AI equal to 2 meter. This much story not required. These two triangles are exactly same because this and this same, and here common side 90 degrees, then this would be equal to this. Okay na? 2 meter. So yeah, but we are done this part. Nothing wrong in that. So AI equal to how much? 2 meter. From concept of similar triangles. So L and this common side and included angle 90 degrees. Then these two sides then these two sides must be same. These two sides must be same. Clear? So now we can draw. Now we need to calculate coordinates of the image. See here, coordinates of the image. Coordinates of the image. See here. So for that, what we need to do? Here it is L, L, L. It would be 2 meter. It would be 2 meter. So now we can draw a perpendicular. This would be from triangle AMI. 1 minute. From triangles AMI and from triangles AMI and triangle, yeah, we need to calculate from triangle AMI. We can draw this. Just observe. This is from triangle. Now we can see from triangle AMI. Just observe from triangle AMI. So we need to calculate X and Y. We need to calculate X and Y. What is the X and what is Y? Tell me. Here it would be X. This would be Y. Okay, na? So IM is Y. This would be AM. So here I X comma Y is nothing but 2 cos 60 and 2 sin 60. Directly also you can write. Here what is X? Tell me. What is X from this triangle? 2 cos 60 degrees. It is positive. From here, what is Y? Tell me. From here, what is Y? Y equals to 2 sin 60 degrees. 2 sin 60 degrees. So like that we can calculate. Both are positive. Sin 60 equal to Y by 2. Okay. Y equal to 2 sin 60. X equal to 2 cos 60. Here from this triangle, what is Ix comma Y? Ix comma Y equals to I 2 cos 60. Here you can write 2 cos 60. It is positive, comma 2 sin 60. This is also positive, 2 sin 60. Finally, what are the coordinates of the image? 2 cos 60 is nothing but 2 into 1 by 2. 2 into root 3 by 2. So finally, you will be getting I 1 comma root 3. I 1 comma root 3. What is the final answer to this question? What is the final answer to this question? I X comma Y. I X comma Y equals to I 1 comma root 3. 1 comma root 3. This is the final answer to this question. Clear? 1 comma root 3. See here. So you have drawn a perpendicular. So this is the way to draw a perpendicular, and exactly here this would be Ix comma Y. Ix comma Y. Ix comma Y. Then what we did? We joined like this. We joined it from here to here. You need to join. From here to here, we need to join this. So we got this would be 2 meter. From here to here, 30 degrees. Then we have drawn like this. This would be M. I can say this would be m. Here I can say this is x and this would be y. So finally answer to this question. Finally, what is the answer to this question? Here, final answer to this question. Here I x comma y equals to I 1 comma root 3. 1 comma root 3. Straight away you have written 2 cos 60 and 2 sin 60. Now try to solve the next problem. Read the question carefully. A plane mirror is inclined at 45 degrees with the horizontal as shown in the figure below, and an object is placed at minus 5 comma 0. The coordinates of the image formed is. It is very simple. Here same procedure will be applying. We will be drawing a perpendicular. We need to draw the perpendicular from here to here. We need to draw the perpendicular like this. It is at a distance L. This is also at a distance L. Image will be formed here. This is the image formed in this particular case. Understood? So from these two triangles, you can easily calculate. You can easily calculate the I, x, comma, y coordinates of the image. We can do that construction in the solution slide. See here, just observe what is given. Mirror is at an angle 45 degrees with the horizontal. Object is placed at minus 5 comma 0. Then this is the perpendicular. We have drawn perpendicular I x comma y and it is at a distance 5 meter. So now we need to see this. Here to here how much? 90 degrees. This would be 90 degrees. Mirror is the perpendicular bisector of line joining the OI. Okay, so then L and L. After that, so if it is 90, 45 degrees here, this should be 45 degrees. This should be 45 degrees. If it is 45, this is also 45 degrees. This is also 45 degrees. Then it should be 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Understood now? Understood? So then 45, 45, everything. This is 45, this is 45, this is also 45 degrees. Here 45, then it should be 45. This is also 45 degrees. So how to calculate this particular OA? How to calculate this particular OA is very simple. 45, if it is 45, then these two will be exactly same. This is also L. NA is also L because 45, L and L both are exactly same. L and L. So if it is 5 meter, then it should be 5 meter. It should be 5 meter. Understood now? So it is very simple to calculate from the triangle, or else these two are similar triangle concept also. These two are 5 meter. Otherwise, I will prove it. Understood now? So from triangles ONA, from triangle ANO and ANI. So here, this part from here, what is cos 45? Cos 45 equal to L by 5. 1 by root 2. This is from triangle ANO. L by 5. So from here L equals to 5 by root 2 meter. 5 by root 2 meter. So now from triangle, so I can say that from triangle ANI. From triangle ANI. To calculate AI. To calculate AI, what to do? Tell me. To calculate AI, you can take anything. Sine 45, tell me. Sine 45 degrees equal to L by AI. L by AI. L by AI. Triangle OAI. There is this OAI. So from that also you can calculate. So if it is 45, so in that OA equal to AI. That is also fine. Sin 45 is nothing but 5 by root 2 equal to 5 by root 2. Sorry. 1 by root 2. So here L equal to 5 by root 2. Here AI. Finally, AI equal to 5 meter. Or else from triangle OAI. From triangle OAI. So here tan 45 equal to tan 45 degrees equivalents to AI by OA. So tan 45 equal to 1. AI by OA is how much? 5 meter. So AI equal to 5 meter. It should be on y axis. Understood na? So here I can say that AI equal to 5 meter. So then what is the coordinates of this image? So this would be 5 meter positive direction. So that means 5 meter positive direction, it would be positive. So finally, what is the coordinates of the image? Ix comma y. Equals to I 0, 5. I 0, 5. Understood now? So you can easily calculate this I can say that I 0, 5. So what are the coordinates of the image? 0, 5. So you can calculate like this or else this. It is very simple problem. Straight away you can answer it. So here 45 degrees in the sense. So if it is 45, these two should be equal. 5 meter, it is exactly 5 meter. Okay na? So by seeing this question, you can directly answer it. Okay, so it is on y axis, that is why 0, 5. Understood na? So if it is 45, then only image is formed on the y axis. Understood? Clear? What is the answer to this question? 0, 5. So what is the answer to this problem? I x comma y equals to I 0, 5. I 0, 5. That is the answer to this question. Now we can solve next question. So mirror is at an angle 45 degrees. Mirror is in second quadrant. Object is on positive x-axis. Read the question carefully. A plane mirror is inclined at 45 degrees with the horizontal as shown in the figure, and an object is placed at 2, 0. That means positive direction of x-axis. The coordinates of the image formed is. So it is also simple. Here procedure is what? We need to draw a perpendicular. We need to project the point object. That means we need to extend this. We need to extend it and draw the perpendicular. Then image will be formed here. So L. Understood na? So you can easily calculate the coordinates of the image by using this procedure. Try to solve this problem. What is given? object is placed at 2, 0, mirror, and it makes an angle 45 degrees with the horizontal, then you can project it. Understood now? So then it is a normal perpendicular to that. You can project the axis of the mirror and draw perpendicular. Mirror is the perpendicular bisector between of the line joining point object and point image. It is very simple. If it is 45 degrees, then it would be 45 degrees. Okay, same distance L and L, then image is formed here. It is also exactly very simple. So here you can say it is also 45, it is also 45, and all this would be 2 meter. So from triangle, I can say that from this triangle, O, so this would be maybe A, from triangle OAI. So here I can say from triangle OAI, from triangle OAI. So here tan 45 equal to tan 45 degrees equivalents to tan 45 degrees equivalents to how much you are getting? AI by AO. Tan 45 degrees equal to 1, AI equal to 2 meter. This would be AO. AI. 1 minute. AI we need to calculate. That is 2 meter you will be getting. AO equal to how much? This is 2 meter. AI equal to 2 meter. So that you are getting 2 meter. AI equal to 2 meter. It is on negative y axis. Then ix comma y equal to 0 comma minus 2. So ix comma y. Here I can say ix comma y equal to I 0 comma minus 2 you will be getting, because it is on negative y axis. So directly also 45 in the sense it is 2 meter. If it is 2 meter, it should be 2 meter. From the triangle also, if you apply tan 45, you will be getting the same. So this image is formed on negative y axis. That is why y will be negative 0 comma minus 2. This is the final answer to this question. 0 comma minus 2. What is the answer to this question? Ix comma y. Ix comma y equal to 0 comma minus 2. 0 comma minus 2. Now I want to discuss an important topic, image of the extended object. Just observe for vertical extended object. See here, it's a mirror and an extended object, AB extended object. Here we need to project the point B and point A. Okay, na? So we need to draw perpendiculars from the point B. So these two distances are exactly same. Understood now? So this mirror is a perpendicular bisector of line joining the point object and point image. In that, here it is the point and one more point you will be getting here. So mirror is the perpendicular bisector. Mirror is the perpendicular bisector. We need to draw horizontal projection because this particular object is vertical. Understood now? So here we are projecting horizontally. This is the normal. Okay, perpendicular or normal to the mirror. Normal to the mirror, perpendicular. From here to here, this would be perpendicular. Now we can draw from the point A also. You can do the same. So this is the point and these two distances are exactly same. then you will be getting 2 points. That is the image formed for the extended object. Here for vertical extended object, so image is also vertical, A dash B dash. So you have drawn normal from point B. So this is the normal to the mirror. So perpendicular to the mirror, drawn normal, and here drawn one more normal. So here we know that these two are equal, these two are equal, and these two are equal. So image formed for the extended object. The image of the extended object can be drawn by drawing the image of extreme points and connect them. Understood now? So from extreme points, you have drawn perpendiculars, then you can join those two perpendiculars, and by applying this perpendicular bisector, mirror is the perpendicular bisector of these two normals. By applying that concept, you will be getting A dash and B dash. By that, you will be getting image formed for the extended object. We can see some more cases. If it is horizontal extended object, in what manner you will be drawing? It's the mirror. So here this is the object. So what kind of image will be formed for this particular case? Same procedure will be applying. From point B, you are extending, or else you will be drawing the normal to the mirror. You have drawn the normal, then these two will be exactly same. I'll be drawing the normal from here, then you will get this point. These two are equal, and same thing you'll be doing for the point A. It is at a distance, same distance. These two will be exactly same and exactly at the same point. So you will be getting here to here. I can say that LB, this would be LB. This is also LB, LB dash. So here at a distance, LA, it is at a distance, LE dash. So now from that we will be getting A dash and B dash. So you need to draw the normal from the point. So here extended object. That is why you will be getting 2 points, extreme points, top and bottom point. From that we will be drawing normal to the mirror. After that we will be applying perpendicular bisector concept. Then you will get the image for extended object. Okay, so here LB equal to how much? Here LB equals to LB dash, and similarly LA equals to LE dash. Okay, now so it is very simple to draw this. Since the plane mirror is perpendicular bisector of line joining the point object and point image, the point B of the object which is close to the mirror will be formed. It will form the image of B dash. B dash will be close to the mirror because B is nearer, close to the mirror. Image will be close to the mirror. Okay, now from the concept of this particular perpendicular bisector, you will be drawing normal. You will be applying the same procedure. Understood now? So for this particular extended object, this kind of image will be formed. Now we can have a look on the problem based on image formation of the extended object. So here, if it is, we discussed vertical extended object and horizontal extended object. Now I want to discuss inclined extended object. Object is inclined like this, A and B. So what kind of image will be formed? So same procedure will be following. See here, it is inclined extended object. So for that, from the point B, we will be drawing a normal. So these two are equal. These two are equal. You will be getting a point B dash. And so here also these two are equal. These two are equal. You will be getting a point. So you can join these 2 points. Then you will be getting, so here this distance and this distance, both are exactly same. And this distance, both are exactly same. Now image will be formed. Here A dash and B dash. Understood now? So to locate the image exactly, use the following concept. I already explained it. Perpendicular distance of the object from the mirror is equal to perpendicular distance of the image from the mirror. Understood now? Mirror is the perpendicular bisector between the line joining the point object and point image. For extended object, you will be getting 2 points, two extreme points, A and B. Same procedure will be following. So here I can say that this would be LB. This is the LB dash. So this would be LA. This would be LA. And this would be LA dash. So from the concept of perpendicular bisector, LA equals to here, LA equals to LA dash and LB equals to LB dash. So from that concept, you will be getting image for inclined extended object. So now see this for horizontal here, if mirror is inclined, in that case, in what manner the image will be formed? Last time object is vertical or else horizontal or else inclined. In all three cases, mirror is vertical. If the mirror is inclined, what kind of images will be formed for extended object? That part we need to discuss. Here the mirror is inclined. Mirror is inclined at 45 degrees with the horizontal. If the what kind of image will be formed for horizontal? This is the horizontal extended object. So for that, what we need to do? Same procedure. We need to draw normal to the mirror. We need to draw normals A and B. So here this is incident ray and reflected ray. I can say that this would be incident ray. Incident ray. This would be reflected ray. Reflected ray. So same procedure, we need to extend the mirror, draw perpendiculars. Draw perpendiculars. This is the perpendicular and draw one more perpendicular. So here to here, these two distances are same. This distance and this distance will be same. And here, from here, I can say that LA, this would be LA dash. From here to here, LB, this would be LB dash. So exactly for horizontal object, incident ray, of course, the ray is coming from the object. It is the here you will be getting horizontal. Incident ray is horizontal. So you can, if it is 45 degrees, then only the reflected ray will be vertical. Understood now? So here it is 45 degrees, reflected ray will be vertical. Then you can draw a line and then you can project it. So in order to get this part here and here, these two should be equal. Understood now? So in this manner, you will be getting image formation. So here A dash and B dash and image will be vertical. In this like this will be it is visible in the mirror. Understood now? So if it is inclined mirror, horizontal object and is looking like a vertical object. Understood now? Vertical extended object. So in this manner, same procedure will be applying for all the cases in order to get image formation of the extended object. I repeat the procedure. So this axis of the mirror, extend it, draw normals. This is perpendicular. This is also perpendicular. Draw normals and apply the concept of perpendicular bisector. So these two will be equal. These two will be equal. Then you will be getting image formation. Now Just observe, inclined object 45 degrees. If it is towards like this, in that case, what kind of image will be formed? It is also same. Here, same kind of thing. Extended, draw normals. Here, these two will be equal. I can say that this would be A dash and LA equivalents to LA dash. LA equivalents to LA dash. Now we can draw one more perpendicular. This will be perpendicular LB equivalents to LB dash. These two will be equal. These two will be equal. So now you will be getting a point P dash. Now what kind of image will be formed? See here, this kind of image will be formed. So this is the image for the horizontal extended object. Same procedure we followed. Extend the axis of the mirror. This is the line and draw perpendiculars. Draw perpendiculars. Apply the concept of perpendicular bisector. Here it is what? Incident ray. I can say that incident ray. Incident ray. This would be reflected ray. Reflected ray. Understood now? This would be reflected ray. So LA equal to LA dash and LB equal to LB dash. So now we can solve some problems based on the clock. It is very interesting. What time will be the mirror image of the clock? Show when the actual time in the clock is 4 hours, 25 minutes, 45 seconds. It is very simple. So here I want to give one shortcut. What time will be the mirror image of the clock? What time will be the mirror image of the clock? So to get this is the answer or solution to this. Mirror image of the clock. Time on mirror image of the clock. Image of the clock on mirror. Time on mirror image of the clock. Mirror image of the clock equals to 12 hours. This is exactly this. Minus of actual time. Actual time in the clock. Actual time in the clock. I want to show you what kind of image will be formed for this. This is a seconds hand, minutes hand. This is hours hand, minutes hand. Seconds hand, minutes hand, hours hand. This is basic clock. Okay, now what is the time here? What is the time here? Exactly. This is in between 4 hours, 25 minutes, 45 seconds. That is the actual time. What kind of image will be formed? Time on the mirror image. So this is the mirror. You will be drawing perpendiculars for this. So here to here, I can say that. This is the, I think, inclined extended object. So hours hand, inclined extended object. So in this case, what kind of image will be formed? From here to here, we need to draw a perpendicular. We can draw a perpendicular. Here to here, you can draw another perpendicular. This is one perpendicular. You will be drawing another perpendicular here. You will be drawing another perpendicular. Drawing for hours hand. You will be getting from here to here like this. So these two will be same. These two will be exactly same. Understood na? In this manner, you will be getting image of the hour's hand. After that, same procedure will be following. Same procedure will be doing for minutes hand also. In what manner you will be getting? You can draw a perpendicular. You can draw a perpendicular from here to here. From here to here, you will be drawing a perpendicular. These two will be exactly same. This is the way to get image of the extended object. So after that, this is horizontal extended object. Second hand is horizontal extended object. Here, this would be, if it is A and B, from here to A is close to the mirror. A is close to the mirror. So here it is A dash. These two will be same. And from here to here, B. From here to here, B dash. Like that you will be getting. Understood na? So you need to draw this perpendicular. You need to do this perpendicular business for seconds hand, minutes hand, and hours hand. Finally, we'll be getting image of the this particular clock, complete clock. Then what is the time on the mirror image? See here, actual time in the clock and time on mirror image. For that, what we already done, we need to use this formula. So how to calculate? This is the procedure. Understood na? So here 4 hours 25 minutes and 45 seconds is the actual time in the clock. I can say that this would be actual time in the clock. 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 What is this? Time on the mirror image. Time on the mirror image. Time on the mirror image of the clock. Okay na? So from 12 hours, we need to subtract it. Finally, we'll be getting time on the mirror image. So we explained in what manner this image formation takes place in case of clocks. So here we already drawn. You need to consider minutes hand, hours hand, and seconds hand. These three hands as extended object. Of course, those are extended objects. So you need to take extreme points and draw normals to the mirror. Here mirror is vertical. Then you will be getting image of the minutes hand, seconds hand, and hours hand. By that we can say the time on the clock. Otherwise, you can use this formula. Generally, it's not a formula, it's a trick. Understood na? So by using this trick, you can easily calculate time on the mirror image. See here, what is the answer to this question? 7 hours, 34 minutes and 15 seconds.